Hi, this is Sean, and I'm a sales consultant here at Bobby Rahal Toyota, and today we are going to talk about the brand new 2021 Toyota Sienna.
This year, Toyota has totally overhauled the ever-popular Sienna minivan, starting with an exterior redesign that features a sporty new front fascia that follows along with all of the other Toyota flagship models. There are long swooping body lines down the side of the vehicle that add distinct character and functional aerodynamics to the Sienna. Both headlights and taillights offer high visibility LEDs to ensure you can see and be seen while out on the road. Heated mirrors and blind spot monitoring systems are available as well. Power sliding doors come standard on the XSE and higher trim levels, and the power liftgate with jam protection is available on all trim levels. Jumping over to the safety and convenience features, as expected, the new Sienna offers a huge amount of safety features such as the Star Safety System, Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, 10 airbags throughout, tire pressure monitoring system, hill start assist control, and blind spot monitoring, just to name a few. Rest assured, your family will be safe inside this minivan. The previous generation Siennas came standard with Toyota's tried and true 3.5-liter V6, which offered around 19 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. Going forward, however, the all-new 2021 Sienna models come standard with the 2.5-liter dual overhead cam 4-cylinder hybrid that's shared with the Highlander hybrid, with a hugely improved 35 miles per gallon in the city and 36 on the highway. This is now the most fuel-efficient hybrid minivan on the market. It also is offered in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive options depending on your preference and trim level. Switching over to the inside, the all-new Sienna is packed with technology and features sure to keep your entire family happy going back and forth across town or for those epic family vacations. You have 3 or 4 zone automatic climate control, including rear controls for your backseat passengers. You get 3 different seating options depending on trim level, starting with the cloth seats on the LE model and then switching over to Softex with heated front seats on the XLE and XSE. And finally, on limited and platinum models, you get leather trim seats with heated and cooled front seats. Like before, the Sienna still offers stow and go seating in the 3rd row, allowing for that extra seating or storage flexibility when it's needed. As for technology, the Sienna doesn't disappoint, and like most newer vehicles, you can get Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or Amazon Alexa, along with SiriusXM on all trim levels. Wireless charging is also available. 18 cup holders are scattered throughout to ensure everyone's beverage has its place, and on some trim levels coming out later, you can even add a built-in fridge and vacuum to help clean up light spills.
Well, that about covers everything that Toyota has packed into our brand new 2021 Toyota Sienna. If you would like to test drive this vehicle or would like to stop in for more information about this vehicle, my name is Sean and I will be more than happy to assist you.